Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up form on your Shopify. You can use this whether to create a subscription pop-up form or maybe you want to create some sort of discount pop-up. You can make that with this method that I'm going to show you, so let's get started. First things first, you want to go to your Shopify dashboard and then you want to go to the settings sections right here. Then you'll find on your navigation menu on the left side of the screen the options to take a look at the apps and sales channel. Then you want to click on the Shopify App Store. Next, you want to search for pop-ups on the search bar right here. And you will find a bunch of applications that you can install into your Shopify to help you create that pop-up banner or pop-up discount or pop-up form that you want to create. We got Adoric pop-ups, and then there's Pop Convert, we got Smart Pop-up, we got One-Click Pop-up, we got Proof Bear, and many more. If you don't know which app you want to use yet, you can take a look at the ratings of the apps, but for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using this Pop Convert apps. So with this Pop Convert, you can create a bunch of things like email pop-ups, SMS pop-up, exit intense discount, countdown timer, newsletter, forms, banner, etc. They have a lot of selection that we can explore, so we'll be using that today. In order to add it into our Shopify store, we just have to click on this install button. Next, the apps is going to ask for an access to some of your data on your Shopify, such as personal data as well as stored data. Next, you want to click on installs right here. Now, once you got your pop-up convert installed into your Shopify, you'll be able to see a dashboard that looks like this. So this is going to be your main dashboard for Pop Convert, and you'll be able to see the total view for your campaigns after you created it. And if you're going to create a pop-up for your subscription, you'll be able to see the total of subscribers that subscribe through that pop-up banner, and you can even see all of your campaigns right here. Now let's take a look at the pop-up that we can create. So here we got the pop-up options right here. In order to create whatever type of pop-ups you want to make, you can just click on this part right here, and you can go ahead and continue by clicking create campaign. Now here are the goals that you can select when you're trying to create the pop-up banner. You can get more subscriber, you can bring traffic to a certain URL if you want. Maybe you have a certain page that you want people to pay attention to. You can click traffic to URL for that one. You can also create an announcement. Maybe you want to release some new collection, or maybe you have new products coming in. You can create an announcement for that. For today, I'm going to create a pop-up form for getting more subscribers. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one, then click on create. So this is how our pop-up looks like for now. You can customize your pop-up banner by changing the background color if you want to. Then you can also change the main tile. You can choose whichever colors you want. I'm gonna go with purple for today. Then for the text color, we actually got some text right here, but it's sort of invisible, so I'm just going to change it to white so that people can still read it well. And if you don't like to use just a plain color like this one, you can also change your background image by uploading one from here, or you can even see from the image gallery that they have. Or you can even add AI image by adding some prompt over here, and then Pop-up Convert are going to create an image for you. I'm going to try and upload my own picture. So I'm going to upload my file through here. You can drag and drop, or you can just click from device and it's going to open your file. Alright, so I've uploaded a picture and this is how it looks like, and you can even play around with the overlay opacity of the background. Then you can adjust the pop-up padding according to how you want it to be. I think around 26 is fine. And you can adjust the size of your pop-up banner. So I think around this big is fine. You can edit your layout. You can add a hero layout, but I don't really like adding hero layout, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. Then as you can see, we got the button for our subscription. You can change the background color for your button if you want to. as well as the button text color. So this is what my pop-up banner currently looks like. You can even see how it looks like in the form of phone. So if you're opening your website from mobile phone, you can see how it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and publish this for now. So I'm going to go ahead and click publish, then confirm. Now I got my campaign created. Now I'm back to my dashboard, and as you can see, I got the subscription campaigns recorded, and this is how it looks like for now. And if I want to re-edit it, I can just click on it, and then now I'm back to the editor. So not just the colors of the button and text and everything, you can also change the text if you want. Now if you'd like to change the text of your banner, you can go to the content sections right here, and then you can change it if you want. I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to leave it as it is. If you would like to also change the symbols right here, you can also take a look at their image library, or maybe you want to create your own AI image just like before, or you can also just upload your own image if you want. And then you can also add more than just email. Let's say you want them to insert their name as well as their phone number. You can make it like so, but I'm just going to use just the email for now because some people like to think that it is hassle to put their name as well as their phone number. So email is enough for me. But if you would like to collect leads, etc., you can try at least inserting their names. But again, I'm fine with it, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. As the submit button, right now I got submit sites right here, but if you want to change it to maybe join us or maybe notify me or stuff like that, you can just change it right here. Here on the settings sections, you can settings whether you want to add delay to your pop-up, or maybe you want this to pop up immediately. You can add 5-second delay, or maybe you want to create a button trigger. If specific button is clicked, only then this pop-up will show. But I'm going to show this immediately when people open my website home. So I'm choosing immediately right here. Then after it closes, you can set when you want this to pop up again. Maybe you want this to pop up every page load or every several days. I'm going to add this on every page load just so that we can see how it will looks like. And here I'm going to go to the display buttons right here, and I'm going to go to the display pages because I don't want this to be shown on all of my page. I'm just going to put this on my home page. So I'm going to go back to my store, and then I'm going to go to my online store and open my home page, and then I'm going to add the URL to my home page into the pop-up content. Alright, so now that I done that, I'm gonna go ahead and reopen my store, and let's see if my pop-up banner is working or not. Alright, and there we go. Right after I open my home page, I got the pop-up banner showing like so, and people can just enter their email and click on submit, and then I will get them subscribed into my newsletter. And in order to exit it, they just have to click this X button and they're done. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a pop-up form on your Shopify. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.